Hello everyone, welcome back to SoCalerific. Today we are back here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We came for an evening trip because in around 2 weeks, the park is gonna start closing at 6 p.m. once again, like during the week. We wanted to come, just get like that nighttime feel before the park starts closing early again. So of course we're gonna walk around, look for some updates and just have a fun night. So come along and let's go. Before I got into the park, I actually stopped by the Curious George parking lot just because by the time we get out here, it's gonna be pretty dark and I wanted to be able to see like some of the progress. So I'll insert the clips of what I saw. Again, it looks like they added like more forestry to the front and also they still have that bin on top. I think it's funny. So they do have a ton of forestry. Look at this, it is looking so good. I don't know if they're having some sort of event. Looks delicious. They're making like some tacos right over here. And I don't know how many of you have heard, but we have a confirmation on what this one's gonna be. And this one's gonna be Scarecrow the Reaping. Look at the detail on this. Now they have some hay. That is so crazy. It's looking so cool. Especially now that we know what it is. I'm just even more excited for this like original house. Ooh, someone coming out. Okay, they also have like these black tarps up that they didn't have last time. So I don't know, like from the tram you can't see as much anymore as you once could. Okay, like I said, that is going to be Scarecrow the Reaping. And I don't know how many of you had seen like the Midsummer Scream panel, but John Murdy did like an overview of the house, what to expect. And let me just say, like those costumes, the characters look so awesome. They look amazing. Also, I heard that there's going to be bird droppings on us, an outhouse that shoots like liquid. I gotta say, after the panel, I am way more excited for that Scarecrow maze. It looks as though Starbucks has extended their hours because it is currently 5 p.m. and it is still open. It used to close at 3 p.m. but luckily they have extended their hours. So of course we're gonna head into the Universal Studios store. We gotta see if we find any new items. Okay, and looks as though they have finally restocked the little Yoshi hat. Look how cute he is. So if you're waiting for the Yoshi hat, he is here as of today. And also they got these plushes back. They used to have them, but now they have Bowser Jr. He is here once again as well. Okay, not only do they have the hat, they do have the Mario gloves back too. So they are restocking a few items. Here's a closer look at the gloves. Here in the Minion section, and they did get in this cute Minion plush. Look at his little hat. That is so cute. And on his shirt it says, I love Tim. That is so adorable. And this plush is $25. Right, we are currently locked out of the plaza. We cannot walk past here. I wonder what they have planned going. They have like a hedge around this Minion. I wonder if they're going to be removing it or what's the plan for this area. Maybe there was an event, maybe there will be an event. It looks like they have like a little bar area right there with some tables, so we'll keep our eye out on this. While I was walking over here, I realized that the whole plaza is actually not closed. It is open from this area, so it's just like that back area that's closed currently. You can still come up to the Minion and actually take a picture with him. Looks as though they have started to add like lighting to the La Llorona maze, well, rumored La Llorona maze. But here's a look at some of the lights that they do have. It is a very hot, muggy day, so these little fans are greatly appreciated, especially on a day like this. Bye, Groot! Okay, here's our current look at Super Nintendo World. Here is the progress for this week. It looks like Bowser's Castle is more exposed. Look at the top. It is looking so good. I cannot wait for that little Bowser head. But I did notice that we did get more warp pipes right over here. And a few more down here. So again, that is just super cool. And of course, we are waiting for this warp pipe to get like its green covering. And that is just going to be so exciting. Okay, so let's take a look at Super Nintendo World progress from this vantage point. Let's also take a look at Peach's Castle. Ooh, looking good as well. Okay, so we just came off of the studio tour. We were the last tram of the night, and that was super cool because we got like a ton of space and Jenny was actually able to sit behind me. She was able to have her own row, right? Because usually she sits right next to me, but now she was able to see like all this stuff, and I was able to go on the other side, which I usually am not on that side, like where the water's at. So it was kind of cool. I was like sliding back and forth just to see like different angles. So of course we try to get some HHN updates, the Rumor Killer Clowns Maze. Again, you can't see much, but I will insert the clip just to show you what I got. In terms of Terror Tram construction, I couldn't see much because it was so dark. But they did have some, you know, construction up for Horror Nights. They had some at the Bates Motel.
There's absolutely so much history here on the back lot. That is probably one of Universal's most famous sets, but moving away from one of the most famous to one of the most impressive. This is a real Boeing 747.
And also, like, by the end of the World of Worlds, I couldn't show you, but a lot of construction was happening there, so that was cool too. And when you ride the studio tour at night, you get like a few other effects. Like today, like during the Jurassic Park segment, they had like dinosaurs like on the screens. And usually like in the Western sets, they have like cowboys as well. Another reason I wanted to ride the studio tour at night is because I never experienced like that Nope section at night yet. And they say it's cooler, so we definitely wanted to do it before we were unable to. And I gotta say, like, it was scarier. It was like a more creepy feel.
Welcome to the world of Nope.
But I do enjoy the day as well because you get to see like more of the detail of the set. So it's just like two different vibes, but I like both. Think of Nope at night. It's way scarier. Is it better? I like it both. Again, I love riding the studio tour at night. Such a different vibe, but a fun one. The current status of the line for the donut. Woo! So if you want a pink or a chocolate donut, you can just buy it inside the stores and you don't have to wait in this line. This land looks so pretty at night. Okay, so with 5 minutes to closing, someone handed me like an express pass, and it wasn't for all attractions, so it wasn't for pets because I definitely would have chose that. It was between Silly Swirly, like Minions, and the lower lot, but the lower lot was completely closed, so I just ended my night on Silly Swirly. It's such a good time. I'd rather do that than Minions, to be quite honest. The views are nice, it's relaxing, so a nice way to end the night. Okay, let's head down. Woo, going down. Hello. Alright, so that was our night trip here at Universal Studios. We had a good time. There wasn't a ton of updates, but we still enjoyed ourselves. So for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're going to have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys!